In this video, I'm going to show you how to hang this mirror. All right, so we have this new bathroom that we've renovated, and we have this mirror that we're going to be putting up. It's going to go in this section right here. This is the easiest way I've found to get these types of mirrors hung up. When you look at the back side of the mirror, you can see that it has some built-in brackets. I'm going to be using those today. They'll help me out a lot. I'm going to be using some basic drywall anchors as well. It's just going to go right into the drywall. Toggle bolts could also be used. I prefer those, but this is what I have today. So in this case, you can see that the mirror is about 2.5 feet tall, but my opening that I have is about 3.5 feet. So getting the placement correct is important. What I like to do is place the mirror flat on the counter, and then I'm gonna make marks right above it. That's gonna make it level to the counter. And then right where those marks are is where I'm gonna be hanging the mirror off of these built-in brackets. So the height is gonna end up being just right. So I'm going to center the mirror on the faucet right here. Then I'm gonna get my screwdriver and make some marks right above where the brackets are. So in this case, as you look down, you can see that the bracket is about 1/4 inch from the inside of the mirror. So that's gonna be where I make my marks. About 1/4 inch from the inside. So I'll just spin it around, make a little divot there. Same thing over here. So then I use the screwdriver to make my hole through the drywall as well. I do that on both sides. Now I have my screw holes that I'll be using. Next, I'm going to open this up and get my drywall anchors. And I'll leave the screw sticking out about 1/2 inch. That way I have something to hang onto. Okay, got the left side and the right side done. Next, I'm just gonna hang the mirror. Something I like to do is position the hanging brackets out like this so that when I lift it, it's easy to catch the screw. So I'll go ahead and try to do that right now one-handed. There, nice and simple. And it catches pretty easy. There we go, mirror install in less than 5 minutes. Hope that was helpful for you. Maybe gave you some ideas on what you should do with your house. Thanks for watching.